Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Pratchett. If it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel below and let's get started. So today we'll be speaking about jobs and why less applications is better for you. So typically you'd be an international student or graduate. I was like that myself a few years ago. And I was applying for jobs, tens of them, even hundreds of them for weeks and months without getting any traction, not a single response. Very familiar with the email you get. We regret to inform you, or unfortunately due to the high number of applicants. It's really frustrating. It's not fun, and it shouldn't be this way. In job applications in general, what I learned over the years is that less is more. Instead of applying for 10 job applications every day, apply for 1 job application every day. Instead of applying for 100 a month, apply for 10 a month. Why is that the case? When you only do 1 application a day, you will dedicate a lot of time on your resume to make it really tailored towards that job. On the cover letter, if that's required to the job, you will do more research about the company, and that will mean you'll have a really good quality application. Seeing a lot of graduates and students have a lot of information in the resume that doesn't relate to the job. Most cases don't even have a tailored cover letter, don't know enough about the company to mention the cover letter. And you keep applying for more and more jobs, and it's not going to get you anywhere because you're not specific enough. So in this case, less job applications is better for you because you're going to focus on quality, not quantity. The other thing about less is more is in the resume. I see a lot of graduates and students mentioning too many skills and personal attributes. Their skills section would be half a page, even 1 page. Volunteering would be another half a page. All the projects they've done in university will be another half a page. The resume would go up to 2, 3, even 4 pages in some cases. And it's really hard for the employer to read and identify the key information. So in this case, less is more. You only need 1 project, couple of skills that relate to the job, 1 job summary, and that will make your resume really stand out because it'll be very relevant to the job and will make it only 1 page, not 2 or 3 or 4. Less is more, making it easier to read. And the same goes for a cover letter. If you're writing a cover letter and you have 8 or 9 paragraphs and there is a lot of text, and it's really not easy to read, it's going to be hard for the employer to identify the key information. While if you only have 3 or 4 paragraphs in the cover letter where you speak about yourself, the role in the company, then that would be a lot easier to read and more relevant to the job. We spoke about cover letter in detail in this video, so check it out. But generally speaking, you want to have less paragraphs in the cover letter, less pages in the resume, less job applications, more quality over quantity, because that will mean that you will get the first job. And that's how I found my first job. Quality over quantity. Hope you found some value in today's video. Subscribe to the channel below. I'll see you in the next one.